The first ever motion film made. Have you ever wondered how the first ever film was made? We watched so many movies in our lifetime, but we don't know how it all started. Here's some background of the creator. Louis Lee Prince. Louis Lee Prince was born in 1841, Mantes, France. He died in 1890. Well, he disappeared in 1890, September 16th at Dijon, France. His wife is Elizabeth Whiteley. Child is Adolph Lee Prince. You can find that information at wikipedia.org/wiki/Louis Lee Prince. Here's a 1-minute video of the first ever film. See, here's some idea, shows you some idea of what it looked like. It's around like a so that's the garden scene. And they call it the round garden thing as they go around the garden scene. They just go around and around. I explain later how it was actually made. Okay. Now just go back. Some history of the film. The Round the Hay garden scene was filmed October 14, 1888. In 1888, Oakwood Grange, filmed by Louis Lee Prince. How was it made? It was made 12 frames per second. It ran for 2.11 seconds. It was used by a single lens camera, motion camera. Probably one of these. I believe so. It had like a clicker or a timer where it clicked the pictures in 12 frames per second, and to get the timing right, and he put together as how it actually was made. This is the actual motion lens camera. The motion lens camera, well, this one, it could have been different when you used. I believe, like, right there, that's the timer when it timed it. And click the photos. Yeah, as they're moving around the garden. That's why it's called the garden, around the garden scene. Oh yeah, well, let's go back. The camera to make the original film and the like the photos and I guess the script and everything it could be found in the National Arts Museum. The actors to make this film are Adolph Lee Prince, which is son of Lois Lee Prince, Joseph Whiteley, Sarah Whiteley, and Harriet Hartley. Well, while knowing all this information, I hope that now you know who created the first film, and now actually watching movies feel different to you because now you could thank the first ever creator, Lois Lee Prince, for your first ever film, and you can actually think and the filmmaker seeing how hard they work. It's probably also a hard thing. It's like a lot of people thought it's hard to make a film or movie. Well, that's how I started. It's just even though that was only like 12 photos or 12 frames per second, it was only like a 2 maybe minute video. The whole thing actually would have lasted 2.11 seconds. So. Alright, thank you, Stefan. If you want to research more information, please go to these websites. I recommend the headsupboyself.org website. Just type in what was the first ever movie made, and you can find this one here that was Wikipedia. One helps a lot more. Alright. Thank you.